sending love, peace, abundance, prosperity, chaos for balance. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Peace. Peace, family. I love y'all. I love y'all reflections. Keep loving yourself. Be who you came here to be. We rise. In unity, we rise. I am here for you. I am here for you to spread that love. You want that love in your cup? You know where to come and get it from. Reminding you who you are. Show you how to love, because they can't show you how to love because they don't love themselves. The very motherfuckers that got us that programmed this matrix, they don't love themselves. They want to be us.